Hi again. The soap is not thickening up. It's thickened up a lot more than what it has because it was just dripping like a thin consistency batter. But now it's actually thickened up to a thick trace, but still not thick enough to pipe and put in my piping bags. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually color the three different kinds of color 3 different batches of soap that I'm going to put into some cups now, and you can watch me do that. So let's sit you down and we'll start the coloring. Whoop, I'm going to need some light. Okay. Alright, so as you can see here, if I can get some light in the picture, it's a pretty nice soap I got here. I've got the air whipped into it like I want it. It's very marshmallowy, so that part's going good. Just trying to figure out now where to put you guys. This is when you wish you had a bigger counter space. Alright, so I'm going to see if I can make a good judgment now on putting the amount of frosting that I would need for 6 cupcakes. Because I have 6 of the daisy cupcakes, 6 of the rose cupcakes, and I have 12 of the sunflower ones. So I think that might do it. We'll see. Maybe a little bit more. This is scary. I don't want to not have enough. Anyway, I'll judge it here in a minute. You can see the air bubbles in there. I hope that doesn't come out in my soap. Okay. I'm going to be doing a blue, a white, and a brown. You guys getting a look there? So I'll just wait for the soap to thicken up. In these little containers here. Now, time to scrapey my bowl. Whoa, sorry. I didn't mean it. Oh, my battery's starting to go. Uh-oh. Does that mean you're going to get to see the piping of the cupcakes? Because that's the part I'd really like you to see. Maybe while this is thickening up, I am going to go charge my batteries for my camera. How about that? I'm going to get every last bit of soap. Everything I can get. It's getting there with the thickness. That's as much as I'm going to scrape there now. Maybe one more. I think that's good. Whew, my arm is killing me, I know that. That's a heavy bowl. So, let's get some of the colorants in. So I've got, can you guys see there? Bring you down. Okay, blue, white, and brown. So we've got the brown for the sunflower cupcakes. I need some spoons here. And I have blue for the daisies, and I have white for the roses. So that's where we're going with that. So, what will I do, will I do, will I do, what will I do, will I do? Will I just put a little bit of soap in there, I wonder, and mix it around with one of these little spoons. So, now, the brown. So that, the brown is for the sunflower. So I just put like a little bit of the soap in there into the colorant. A little bit more. And that's how I mix my colorants. Same as when you're doing some icing and they tell you to take out a cup of icing out of your full bowl of icing, and they tell you to color that first. It gives a more even distribution and gets that coloring mixed in really well, and it ends up coloring a lot faster. Everything there. And then this colorant bottle here is a lot easier to clean out because there's a soap in it then. Once it saponifies, it turns into soap, and it gets that colorant out of my jar a lot easier too. So, how do you like soap? A lot like baking, isn't it? I know. That's why I like it. I'm also a lover of food. I'm just going to put another little bit in here. Get every last bit. Making a little mess here. That's okay. Looks like milk chocolate. I wish I had some like mini spatulas for things like this. Wouldn't that be great? Okay, so just gonna get that off my finger like so, and get a paper towel so I can wipe off my finger. And lots of paper towels and dishcloths when you're doing soap. You're going to want to wipe things constantly. Okay, so let's come over now. Sorry about that. And let's just give it a mix. Mixing chocolate into cake batter. Doesn't that look delicious? I'll put you down again so I can stir that in super good. Get this moving. So this will take about, I say, an hour to set up, maybe less, before it'll be time to pipe it. It's hard to stir. It is a lot of soap. You gotta get right to the bottom. Boy, it's really hard. My hands are gonna crack off. Alright, so here is my chocolate soap. At least it looks like chocolate. This thing is always slipping away on me, this camera stand.